My most important Photoshop tools. The pen tool. Much like the lasso tool, the pen tool is more beneficial in two ways for me. One, you can create vector shapes, and you can also edit your path in a more precise way than what can be done with the lasso tool. The magic wand tool. I also use this tool to cut people out of photos. This is like the fast track to do it. You just press this select subject button right here, bam, and cut it right out for you. The shape tool. The shape tool, you create vector shapes with the paths that you can edit. If you don't want to draw a box or a circle with the pen tool, you can just make one with the shape tool. Clone tools, heal tools. I use these when I need to get rid of objects in photos. For example, if I don't want clouds, I can just clone it out with the clone tool. The heal tool, it works in a similar way. It fills in a spot that you're brushing with a sample from another similar close by area of the artwork. So it's good for taking away like pimples and stuff like that. The gradient tool. This tool can be used to make really nice color blended background. When I use photos that have hard edges, I take the gradient tool and I fade that hard line away. Those are my favorite tools. Peace.